it's very important to bring the actors, the private and the public sector together to discuss about the use cases which are possible on 5G, and really to start this early on in order to really create a business model which works afterwards for carriers and for the public sector and for the private sector.
Well, I think it was necessary to start a broader discussion on 5G in Luxembourg to raise the awareness. The format of the event is innovative because it is based on a participative framework where everybody was asked to contribute.
I'm always admiring the vision our Prime Minister is bringing on the day and really able to give the general direction, which is so important to create a vision.
I appreciated very much the international participants here that brought use cases from their own countries. It's important that the users get the opportunity to bring their ideas, and this raises the general level of awareness.
It was very audacious to take such a format on where there's the open space and the agenda is created on the spot. But it's very successful and it's very interesting conferences and very interesting discussions. So I think it's maybe the next way to go for conferences on other levels.